In this video, I'll show you how to fix the NVIDIA display settings are not available when trying to open the NVIDIA control panel. So there's two different ways that we can use to fix this. The first is by heading over to your start menu, searching for device manager, and then clicking on the device manager window. From here, you need to come down to display adapters and expand this drop down, and you need to locate your NVIDIA graphic card from the list. Once you've found your graphics card, simply right click on it, select uninstall device, and once you've uninstalled the NVIDIA graphics card, you're just going to head over to action at the top here, press scan for hardware changes, and that's going to go ahead and reinstall the adapter. You'll then need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you can try heading over to the NVIDIA control panel, and that should have now solved your issue. If you are still getting the error message, another thing that you can try doing is heading back over to the start menu, searching for services, and then clicking on the services window. From this list, you need to scroll all the way down to NVIDIA, and in here you'll see three different services. So what you need to do is click on this first one, NVIDIA display container, just double click on it, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and make sure the service status is set to running just by pressing this start button. Once you've applied these settings, you can press apply and OK. You're also going to do the same for NVIDIA frame view, so just double click on this, change the startup type to automatic, click on apply and OK, and then just double click on it again and make sure the service status is running, so just click this start button here, click on OK, and then finally we're going to do the same for local system as well. Just change the startup type to automatic, hit apply and OK, double click on it again and make sure the service is running. So once you've done that, just close out of this window and once again restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, you can head over to the NVIDIA control panel, and that should have now solved the issue. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.